Ever wondered how to elevate your automotive services or dealership to the next level? Imagine a platform that not only showcases your vehicles, but also connects you with potential customers on the web. That's where a car dealer website comes in, offering remarkable convenience and marketability for your business. Our platform is more than just a website. It's a powerful tool equipped with essential features and pages, including an About Us section, services, testimonials, and a detailed FAQ. Showcase your success stories through client testimonies and a compelling gallery. Explore flexible pricing options and innovative solutions. Introduce your team and their individual profiles. Engage with your audience through a dynamic blog or news page, and facilitate open communication with a questions and answers section. But we don't stop at the essentials. We offer affordable website packages for car dealerships and automotive services, with additional features that set you apart from the competition. Enjoy the benefits of a responsive design, SEO-friendly structure, unlimited slideshow capabilities, and specialized forms for bookings and contact. Stay connected with your audience through a unique newsletter system and entertain with a special video and music gallery. We also provide specialized tools for your industry, a dedicated admin area, and setup and management for Google Analytics, Google Business, and Google Tag Manager. Plus, we offer full local search engine optimization to ensure your business stands out in the online crowd. In summary, a car dealer website is more than a digital storefront. It's a comprehensive platform that offers convenience, promotes your offerings, and connects you with potential customers. With essential features and additional tools tailored to your industry, it's the key to elevating your automotive services or dealership to the next level. Remember, you have a vision. We have a way to get you there. If you need more information about our car dealer and automotive web design, don't hesitate to reach out for a cost-free inquiry from one of our web developer specialists at webgkwebagency.com.au. Your journey to digital success starts here.